In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn on sleep timer on Lark Player. So first of all, launch open Lark Player application. You can see over here Lark Player application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to turn on the sleep timer, for that you'll have to go to the settings. In order to do that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. You can see various settings options over here. At fourth, you'll be able to find this option for sleep timer. What you have to do is tap on it. You can see over here right now it is turned off for me. You'll be able to find various options like 10 minutes later, 20 minutes later, 30 minutes later, etc. Simply tap on the option of your choice, or you can also set the custom sleep timer if you want. For that, tap on this option custom that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select the custom time. First of all, select the hour. Now after you do that, you'll also be able to select the minute. Now what you have to do is tap on this option set timer that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the sleep timer will be set. Additionally, you can also enable this option for play last one to end. If you want to enable it, toggle this button on. If you want to disable it, toggle this button off. So like this, you'll be able to turn on the sleep timer. So that is how you turn on sleep timer on Lark Player. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.